So I've just dropped my daughter off at school. Visibility was awful because everything was frozen up, and I'm not used to driving, as well as not being used to driving in sort of stormy weather like the other video. See the other video, my first dashcam video, but I'm not used to driving with windows all frozen up. So another lesson for me. I've not been going out enough in this van, and it's something I need to change. So starting to learn how to control things when I can't see much. So that's good. So I'm off for a walk now, and I'll probably do another video of me going back home. We'll see how we go. Okay, so I'm off. Thanks for watching and putting up with a dashcam video that's not really that interesting, but it's interesting for me because I'm getting out. And as the UK has now gone into complete lockdown, France at the moment isn't. Just a little bit of extra news for you if you're still watching, you're still not bored out your brains. Yeah, so I'm getting a bit fed up with the French news calling the new COVID variant, the new stronger COVID, the British or English COVID. So that gets on my nerves, and this is when just to get a bit political here, the advisor to the French government has had a bit of telly time just lately. He's been doing quite a few speeches, and he's saying it is not a British COVID. And they're still in the media, they're still calling it the British COVID. It gets on my nerves. I watched the news this morning after sort of woke up, had breakfast, watched the news, and yeah, that was getting on my nerves a little bit. So yeah, so at the moment in France we've got the curfew still. between 8 PM and 6 PM, and after that, well, they're talking about moving that to 6 PM. So they're not ruling out it's going into lockdown, but they don't want to at the minute, and they're behind with the vaccines as well compared to Britain. But I think a lot of countries are a bit all over the place with that. So yeah, that's my political soapbox got out of the way. It makes it even more boring to watch than watching the actual dashcam footage, but it's a new toy, so I'm playing with it, and we'll see what you can do. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you in another video. And again, well, I should say this before, but again, I should have said this before, sorry. But again, thanks a lot for your support. It's really appreciated. Take care of yourselves. Bye. See you soon.